In the manufacturing industry, we pride ourselves on continuous improvement, becoming more efficient, making higher performing products, getting more from our machines, and making our factories leaner. Helping you achieve this is what drives the Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection. We've taken the tools trusted by millions of engineers worldwide like Inventor, Autodesk Nastran, and HSM and package them together so that they can be accessed by everyone on your engineering and manufacturing teams, connecting them with a common application and data model. Design and engineering, advanced simulation, 2.5 to 5 axis CAM, and factory planning are all in Canvas workflows directly inside of the Inventor application. And when you need to work on electrical schematics, conceptual layout, point cloud processing, or large design review, there is a seamless associative connection to your centralized design data. And best of all, you stay at the forefront of product development with access to the latest capabilities as soon as they're available. Whether it's enhancements in a steady stream of new releases for the products you use today, or incorporating new, disruptive technologies like Fusion 360, we've put this collection of engineering tools together for a single purpose, so that you can do your best work with our best inventor.